Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and you can see red day yesterday. The bulls could never really recover from the overnight push down. The bears didn't extend the range to the downside at all. The low of the day from Friday was 75. The low yesterday was 76.5. So 75, 76 is going to be, support until it's not. But the bulls didn't look good, and they still don't really continue to look good anywhere in the 3,800 to 3,810 area. Globex high, 675. We're sitting right at round number 3,800 now. Price has migrated back inside the Bollinger Bands, and it's the bears' job to find their car keys and put together some kind of follow-through that gets us down towards one of these areas that they need to deal with. So you've got, on the hourly chart, you got weekly pivot down at 66. You got the 9-day, 61. You see the 20-day. Remember our rule, pick two lines, close below them, stay below them for a Globex, and the bears, at least for that moment, become relevant. What you can really start to see developing is since the highs from Friday, especially in the overnight, and with the exception of a little push down here and a little push up here, we're back in a consolidation. So the good news about consolidation is that it precedes expansion. Expand up, expand down. Don't know, don't care, and don't know when. But just understand the reason things are so choppy is there's a ton of things to fight over. So within a few handles of round number 3,800, you've got the hourly mid-band at 98, volume weighted average price at 98, 5-minute mid-band at 02, our proprietary moving average at 02, daily pivot 96 and change. So it's, you've got a lot going on there, in addition to the fact that the S&P Futures love to consolidate and fight over round numbers while they decide if they want to go and head up to the next round number or if they want to pull back a little bit and then head up to the next round number, which is the reality of the trade. So as we head into today, understand that we're in a consolidation. Understand that there could continue to be some false breakdowns and false breakouts associated with that. And until that consolidation zone, which I'm going to call, practically speaking, I think you've really got to call it, if you take the edges away, it's really, 85 to 38.10. Until that area wants to be resistance or support, you've really got to take your profits on your trades, let your runners work, see if it wants to expand or not to the upside or the downside, and just collect handles while we wait for the next move. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Come check out the room, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.